What is going on, guys? Today I got a special that I never do that much, and as a carpentry project I'm going to turn my jacuzzi tub, two-seater, into a shower so that I don't have to just bath to get clean. I can also shower. I don't have a shower down here, so I'm going to make a shower. I got some of the wood here, which, I mean, if it isn't enough of wood, we'll put more wood. So first things first, I'm gonna put the base down and we'll see what we got. So this is pretty much the base map of what we're gonna do. I'm gonna trim this so that it fits flush with the butt joint, and then I'm gonna screw those ones in so that it all looks good. Alright, so I screwed in, I got 2 screws. Well, the wood split right here, that's okay. But I cut those and I made the frame, which this is our bottom. And I put these 2 together and screwed them together because I didn't have 4 long ones. So I made that base. That looks good. It looks really good. And that goes right against the wall. And then the game plan here is what I'm gonna do is these poles, I got these from my deck that I made last summer. I had them left over, so I'm gonna have that screwed in there, and then that's gonna go up right there. You'll get toilet paper. And that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna have, yeah, I'm a little sweaty. We're gonna have that as you can hear the saw cutting, but we're gonna have that as our support, and we're gonna have the shower curtain going all the way around. And I picked up those wooden dowels that I can put the rings on for the shower curtain. So it's gonna be like a really good little shower. So what I did here is I pre-screwed those holes, which was not the greatest idea, but it should work okay. And now I'm going to do that for all 4 corners. So I'm going to get the other 2 of those set up, and then I'll show you what's going on after that. So yeah, we had all 3 of these are all the same length, but we don't have another one of these. So we're going to take the scraps that we had from these, because these weren't full ones, and we're going to screw them together like so. And if you screw them together, you shouldn't have any issues. So how you screw these 2 together is you always want to go on an angle with your screw. Always. And it looks like this. Okay, when it goes in like that, you want to bend your screw down so that it looks like this, and bend it as far as you can. So now we have that like that. I'm going to put it in here, and in theory, my phone thought I said Siri. In theory, it's like this. And that's pretty sturdy. We're going to put another screw on the other side, and we're not going to have any more problems with the screws and stuff. But yeah, that's strong. I might put another one in here just to be extra safe. And I know what you guys are thinking, I'm probably spending more money on screws than if to buy wood, but it saves me having to go to the hardware store. So yeah, I got all them up now in all four corners. This one that I did the makeshift on is like a little crooked, but not too bad. And I got this one here. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the dowel up. Like this, like that, and either like on top or the side or something so that we can run the shower curtain. So I'm gonna figure it out and measure it up. Perfect. So we're gonna have that like that. So now I'm gonna come up here and do this one. Yep, but that's even. Now it's even. And that's a nice sturdy piece of wood so that we can put the curtain on. So I'm gonna get the other one put up too. Alright, so we ran into a little bit of a problem, but it's not much of a problem, and that is that this side here, if you look, is not 100% square. So what we gotta do is we gotta push it a little bit so that we can make it square. And that came out pretty good. So what I gotta do now, measure the dowel, and for this one on the dowel, I'm gonna have this tip go in here and put the screw in like this to give this wobbliness some square and stable support. So I'm gonna go ahead and we'll cut the dowels. We'll do that. And you wanna sink it into the wood so that, in theory, if someone was like 100 pounds, I would trust them doing pull-ups on this. Not this. But yeah, this is coming along good. So I'm gonna pre-screw the other holes and should have a good one. This is the last and final piece to the puzzle. Is this wooden dowel piece. Boom. There's our frame, guys. So now all we gotta do is hook the shower curtain up. Oh no, we also have to hook up the head. We're gonna use this shower head. We'll hook that up, and hopefully we can shower today because we're all nice and sweaty. Alright, so pretty much off camera, I hooked up the shower head. There's nothing professional about hooking up this shower head. I used the shower head right here. Runs up. Bam. And yep, you guessed it, that's zip ties. So pretty much when I'm in the shower, turn the water on, stand right here, boom. And yeah, there's like a bunch of different settings I can put on that. So it's not just it's a shower, mini shower, bullet shower, and that should be good. So now what I'm gonna do, I guess, is hook up the shower curtain and we'll test this beast. All right, so I've got 12. That's how many we're gonna put on this side. Battery died while I was doing a a time lapse, but that's okay because all I was doing was putting a shower curtain up anyways. And I found that when I had 3, well, as you can see here, we needed more than 3 of them. We actually needed 4. But overall, it all came out really good. The frame's good. And guys, I didn't use a level either. So this can be done without using a level. But let's hop inside. So say like I'm coming in and I need to get in the shower. All you gotta do, come up here. Well, first things first, you're gonna want to adjust your temperature. So you put it on hot, cold, and then just put your finger like up here, feel it, make sure it's the right temperature. Now that it's the right temperature, we'll go inside and see. So pretty much, you want to open this curtain up, watch your step, and look, boom, that just comes over, and that's the drain right there, and look, even coverage everywheres. And then I'm probably gonna stand here, and then the shower head goes there, and I'll just shower, stuff like that. Overall, I think this came out pretty good. I mean, I'll only tell when I shower and use it, but overall the concept's there. I use a little bit more rings than normal. You can probably adjust those or whatever, but this is gonna look really good. Can't wait to use this shower because I've been getting tired of having to do the bath, so this will be great. Trish hasn't seen the shower yet, so this is going to be her first time seeing it. So Trish, I'm gonna stand here and see what she thinks. Oh wait, Trish, you walked right by me.
Wow, that looks awesome.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you have to say?
I think it looks pretty darn good.
Good.
Good job.
Thanks.
Did you make that? Like you?
Yeah, it's all made except the shower curtains.
Good job.
Do you like how the shower head's hooked up?
I love it. Yeah.
Cool though, eh?
I'm gonna take a nice shower.
Okay, perfect. Well, there you have it, guys. I'll show you what she thinks after she uses it. Alright guys, so I just ended up getting out of the shower, and as you can see, it's got remnants of water and stuff, and this thing held up just great. Really good. Apart from when Trish turned it on, she sprayed it all over the ceiling, but that's alright. 10 out of 10. Trish recommended this. It's a good shower, and I used to, I was in and out of rinks a lot of my life, and I've showered in some pretty bad showers, and I'd say that this is probably one of the best showers I've ever showered in that I made. The hockey rink showers aren't as good as this one. So if you think, you know, that's a good comparison, there you go. Thank you guys, and I'll do something next week. Peace.